What's up, everyone? This is Silver Slayer, and welcome to my daily 10 p.m. video. I want to thank you for tuning into this video. If you are a new stacker, this video could save you a lot, and I mean a lot of money. This is one of those videos that I have to get out, especially since there are so many new stackers. There's so many different types of coins to buy, and unfortunately, a lot of times graded coins are not worth it. I mean, why are we stacking silver? Right? Because of the metal content, not how fancy the coin is, not about how rare it is. Silver has intrinsic value. We're investing into the metal because it's used for so many things and it's scarce. A lot of times we can get distracted and start branching off. And one of the first silver channels I started watching used to always say this: pay for the coin, not the slab. Right? They're going to try to say fancy names for it, first strike, right? All that stuff. But the truth is, there's a very small market for these coins compared to just silver. And a lot of times, it's not even worth it. This article I found explains it perfectly. Now, at the end of the day, if you're buying what you like, you'll never make a bad investment, right? My PF70 Ultra Cameo Moon Festival Panda, I'm never going to sell that coin, and I love that it's graded because it's the PF70. It's the perfect condition coin. You can't get higher grade than a PF70 Ultra Cameo. So sometimes, you can do it, or like my Dragon and Phoenix, where it actually says that there's an error on the coin. Sometimes getting, a professionally graded coin that you love can be beneficial. But when it comes to investing into silver, it's really not that important. Now, this could rub some people the wrong way because you love graded coins, and if you do, then keep buying them. If you love something, then don't listen to me. Do what you love. I'm just coming from a silver stacking perspective in why sometimes graded coins aren't the way to go. And it even says right here, investors are losing thousands of dollars on graded bullion coins. And I mean, I don't want to scare people away, because sometimes graded coins have a role in your silver stacking strategy, but it's usually for older coins. There's no reason to get a graded 2019 American Eagle, especially if it's a 69. Every coin I will ever buy is an MS70. MS70 or PF70. MS70 stands for mint state. PF70 is proof. But if it's a 69 or a 68, you could buy the raw coin from APMEX, send it into NGC or PCGS, and you will always get one of those two grades. So unless you're buying an MS70 coin, it's pointless. Now, even MS70s a lot of times aren't worth it. The only times you want to get coins graded is if it's an old coin, like a Morgan that you found that's in pretty good condition and you think you can get more value out of it. But like I said, a lot of times it's not worth it. Pay for the coin, not the slab. Now, when it comes to these first strikes, and you can see right here, first strike or all that, that's just mumbo jumbo. A lot of times that's not even that's not even legit. So yeah, you just got to be careful. And a lot of times on eBay, you'll see people use a higher grade to their advantage, bumping the price up to ridiculous levels. Or a lot of times people will buy the raw coin, send it into NGC. They'll get it back at a 68 or 69. And then since it's slabbed and it says 69, they think they can double the price. So that's why you got to be careful, because a lot of times these coins are worth just as much outside of the slab as they are inside. Don't pay for the slab, pay for the coin. Now, let's jump into this article, because it does explain a lot, right? Everything I've said so far, you could probably debate or say, well, but this article does explain it from a very good perspective. So now, for years, investors have been misled by the promise of financial returns on modern graded bullion coins. Dealers present recently minted high-grade American Eagles or Buffaloes as rare as charged as much as 10 times what the bullion coins are worth. While the 2017 MS70 1-ounce gold American Eagle coin may be in perfect condition, in most cases, it isn't especially rare or valuable. If you pay a high premium for this coin, you won't get your money back when you go to sell it. And that's true, right? if you have just a standard bullion coin, there's no way, there's no reason to get it graded. The reason there's grading is for numismatic coins, coins where it's all about condition, all about collectability. For a bullion coin like an eagle or a maple leaf, there's no reason to get it slabbed because that coin is sold for the metal inside of it, not how pretty it is, not how fancy it is, not how rare it is. See where I'm going with this? So, numismatic versus bullion coins. Why perfection is hard to find in rare coins. Numismatic coins command a premium over their precious metal content because they are historical, unique, and have other special qualities that make them rare and valuable. Newer bullion coins, even in perfect condition, are typically only worth their weight in gold or silver, and that's because they're just sold for the metal content. True numismatic coins, bullion coins such as American Eagles and American Buffaloes, are never circulated like older U.S. coins were. Back when the United States used gold and silver as money, coins were made on a very primitive minting press compared to today's. These coins were then put in burlap bags and shipped around the country by train, ships, and other rough transportation. By the time these coins arrived at the banks around the U.S., they had a number of bag marks from being rubbed together along the way. So there were certainly no coins that would ever grade MS-70 by today's standards. Once the banks got them, the majority of these coins were circulated to be used as money. Then in 1933, the government melted down most of the coins. The gold was reformed into large ingots that went into the U.S. gold reserves. Very few coins in comparison to what were minted survived in mint state condition, let alone high grades. So you kind of get a reason why grading of older coins matters so much to collectors. Today's bullion coins are struck incredibly sharp from much more sophisticated minting presses. The coins are immediately placed in plastic and bought in large quantities by dealers. Many of these coins are shipped directly from PCGS or NGC to be graded. Since the strikes are so precise and these coins have never been touched by human hands, let alone circulated, many of them grade in excellent condition, MS-70 or at least 69. The same is true with proof coins, often grade PR-70 or PR-69. It's actually PF, not PR. That's funny that they have that. Maybe back when this article was written, it was PR, but it's PF70. And that's a good point. Like I was saying, a lot of times people will actually buy let's say I bought a 2021 Panda from Atmex. And every time you buy a coin from Atmex, it comes in BU, brilliant uncirculated condition, never touched by human hands. So let's say I buy the raw coin. I get it, I have the raw coin in my hand, and then I make a membership, a 1-year membership with NGC. That's usually how it goes. You have to become a member to send these coins in. Say I have a membership and I send it in to NGC and it comes back and it's a 70 or a 69. Then I can go on eBay and double, triple the price. See, the coin is the same, so you're saying I can triple the price just because it's in a plastic slab? What? I mean, there's no different. The coin is still, whether it's in a capsule or a slab, the same coin. See, when it comes to older coins, it's not about the metal content. And then you have semi-numismatic coins where it varies. And when you have semi-numismatic coins like kookaburras or pandas, I do buy graded pandas. I have a lot of MS-70, PF-70 pandas, and that's because there is semi-numismatic value, but that's also because I love pandas, right? I love them. Those coins are never going to be sold, and if they are, some of the ones I have are extremely valuable, and that would be the reason for it. But anyways, the bottom line is that high mint state doesn't make a coin rare. In most cases, when companies are selling coins in high grades, they're not and are likely never going to be rare. The mintage number is too high for most of these certified coins to ever compare to early American coins that are truly scarce in mint state condition. It's a totally different market. And I would say the last coins that really slabs matter would be Morgan silver dollars. They stopped minted in 1921. Morgans are, very a very interesting market. Some years there was a lot minted, some years there's very few. Plus you have the Carson City Mint, the Philadelphia Mint. So different mints had different amounts, and the condition of those varies from some are in pretty good condition and some are in terrible condition. But you can do the same with those. A lot of times you can go on eBay right now and find just, raw Morgans, just the coin, not in a slab or anything. You could pay $25 and get, $25 a pop for all those coins. And then you could get those coins and then ship them into NGC. Maybe get like an NG Plus or, like a MS 64, 65, and you could triple, quadruple the price. And it's not saying that the price is triple or quadruple that, but you can do that because people will buy them. Just because someone buys it doesn't mean that it's worth that. And that's what I'm saying. And this is a good point right here. So see for yourself. Go online and see how many MS 65 or lower gold buffaloes you see. Try to find an MS 67 Silver Eagle. There are almost none. Now, go online and search for an MS 69 and an MS 70 Gold Buffaloes or Silver Eagles. There's an abundance. That's because most of these coins are brand new and uncirculated when they're graded. Therefore, how rare are they? In comparison, look and see how many pre-1933 MS 69, 70, $20 double Eagles you will find. It will be nearly, if not entirely, impossible. Think about it from this perspective. How many 1968 Mustangs are there still in great condition? From the majority of these classic muscle cars no longer exist. So the ones that are still around in great condition can appreciate in value as investments for many people. In comparison, how many Mustangs manufactured today will really have investment or collectible appeal in 50 years if they're all preserved in perfect or near condition, right? And this goes back to my point about Morgans, right? Morgans were stopped being, they stopped being made in 1921. So as time goes on, less of them, are in circulation. A lot of them get melted down. So there's going to be a higher demand because they're becoming more rare. So condition will matter more and more. And I could even say this about junk silver, constitutional silver, stopped being made, pre-1965. So as time goes on, as these coins, get pulled out of circulation from stackers or get melted down, there's going to be less and less and less constitutional silver, which is also going to make them more scarce. So you have to think of it from that perspective. So maybe getting some graded constitutional silver would be worth it, especially since constitutional silver you can buy for so cheap still, because it was, 1964 wasn't that long ago, and you could see a glimpse of that from 1921 Morgans, which are already starting to gain a numismatic value. But that was 1921, so think of it a couple decades later, already starting to grow a premium, right? It could happen. So, anyways, at Scottsdale Bullion, we're faced with breaking this news to clients far too often. They have paid premiums as high as 10 times what the actual coin is worth because a dealer misled them about the coin's rarity and value. When they went to sell the coin companies and often even every coin dealer who sold them the coin will only pay the spot price. This is when they discovered the unfortunate truth about modern graded bullion coins that are bad investments. Coin dealers have different tactics for misrepresenting these coins. Dealers often use autographs from prominent figures such as former U.S. Mint directors to exaggerate the value of the coins. In rare cases, has this ever been true? It's a great way to hype something that's on its that's not scarce to begin with. It's really another way for companies to lead potential customers down this path. And that's what I always say as well. Those first strike labels and all that crap. It's just mumbo jumbo. So, and this is what I was saying in the beginning of my video. Here's our advice. If you're buying a graded modern coin, do it because you love the coin and because you want to have it preserved in high condition, not because it's an investment, but because you love the coin. And that's what I was saying with my PF70 Ultra Cameo 2016 Moon Festival Panda. It's because I love that coin. It's because I want to preserve that coin. I want to display that is the most flawless, the most flawless, perfect coin. And so yeah, I mean, sometimes graded coins can work because since people are paying these high prices, then you can sell them right? Not saying that you're selling a coin that's worth that much, but if someone's willing to buy it, then shoot, you might as well sell it. And I'm sure you can. Go on eBay, list an MS70 Type 2 Eagle, and I'm sure it will sell like hotcakes. The coin might not be worth that much, but if someone's gonna buy it and you can make that profit, then go for it, right? So anyways, yeah, I wanted to make this video because I really want people to know the truth about these things, especially since a lot of times I do buy graded coins. I don't want people to get the wrong impression. I buy these coins because I love them, and sometimes they can be an investment when you have some semi-numismatic coins, which, you know, semi-numismatic means it's sold for the metal inside of it, but also a little bit of collectability, but that's only with coins like pandas, kookaburras, you know. But when it comes to American Eagles, Maple Leafs, and all that, I would never get any of those coins graded. But yeah, I hope this video didn't scare anyone or make anyone regret anything. Don't ever regret anything. If you have some slabbed coins, hold those coins with pride. Just keep them in that condition, and there's still going to be a market for people overpaying these coins, so you'll still probably be able to get them off. But that's somewhere you would go to eBay. You would never take those types of coins to coin shops, just like you would never take a raw panda to a coin shop, because he's going to look at that coin as 1 ounce of silver, not how pretty it looks, not how fancy it is. He's just going to look at that coin as the metal inside of it. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you thought this video was educational, informational, at least entertaining, make sure to smash the like button. I post daily videos, 10 a.m., 5 p.m., and 10 p.m. Eastern Standard is my upload schedule. I'm doing a 47K giveaway. I just did a 46K giveaway. So lots of giveaways, lots of silver being passed out, and lots of winners, especially since I picked 2 winners per giveaway. But that's not even the most important part. The most important part is that I post daily videos. I'm always going to update you on the newest information. I just made a video earlier today talking about the U.S. Mint director, talking about that, saying that we are running out of silver. Made another video, Rick Harrison from Pawn Stars talked about why it's so hard to find silver. Made another video that someone that had a contract on the COMEX got denied delivery for the physical coin. I've been making a lot of different videos that have just been extremely important to check out. I even made a video showing the above ground silver supply, the below ground silver supply, and then the production, and showing us exactly what year we will literally run out of silver. I'm making very important videos. I've been trying to up the quality of my content, and lately every video I make is a must watch, and I'm not just saying that, I mean it. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. This is Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.